And it's time again for the At Alley Cooking Show.
I'm not really hungry. Huh? Alright, follow me to the kitchen.
Today on the show we have... You alright over there? Mitt.
What's up?
And new to the show, JayThud. JayThud. And we are going to make them some interesting food, and they have to guess what they're eating. Everything will be edible, nothing will be poison.
This time.
This time. Good point, bud.
I don't remember the layout of the kitchen.
Dude, what are you doing?
Huh?
No, they can't eat that. I said no poison.
Huh?
Bleach is poison.
Huh?
Rip it in half for him. Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right. Let's apply the other things. Oh, you gotta have two halves so they can both have one. You just kind of got. No, you just kind of gotta.
That's too much.
That's not enough. Alright guys, hope you're ready. Because round one is served. There's one for each of you. You take the device and you slather it in the specialty sauce. And here you go. Go right ahead.
This is the salad fork. This is the dinner fork. Oh wait, hold on. Because it's opposite ways. Okay.
Alright now. Go, dig in.
Oh boy.
Alright, we'll say Mitt first.
Barbecue sauce.
Ding ding ding. Come on, you need to get more points than Mitt. Newcomer. You have
Rice
that beginner's
and
luck.
Chocolate Twizzler.
Wow, he got it. 3 points to Mitt.
I knew about the rice. Rice was obvious.
You gotta do better
Sauce.
next time.
I could taste that, and I guess I could taste the chocolate now on the twist. But
You gotta do better next time. No. No. No.
huh?
No. Round two. Not this one. They don't need a third one. Round two.
Round two.
Fight.
Looks like cheese.
Hey, give me my camera back.
What? Is it butter?
It's butter.
Alright, now round three is a secret. Even the viewers won't know what's in there.
It's my own special recipe.
Its own special recipe.
I call it icy hot.
Alright, here's round three, the final round.
It's the hot sauce.
Yeah, it's hot sauce.
What the hell is that?
That's insanity sauce.
It is not insanity sauce. That's 1 point minus to Matt. Mitt. His name is Mitt, not Matt. Ignore that.
That's a fucking lie.
What the? You can't pick your shit.
Lemon flavored ice.
You got a guess for us?
I can never pick this shit up.
Pork, buddy.
Maybe. Doesn't even help. Doesn't even help.
Need your answer.
It's
5.
like some type of popsicle with hot sauce.
Ding ding ding. 2 points. Well, there's one ingredient. As you can see on there, there's a bunch of little tiny. Well, they melted, but there's also. It's basically lime sugar. Ta-da! We did it! Another food show. Next time on James' show, we interview AOC.
Is it butter?
Yeah, it's butter.
I can't believe it.
Looks like cheese.
Just give me a really confused look.